Hello, sir. This side, sir.
Hi, brother.
So first of all, you got a very romantic smile, sir, and so that's very contagious. So actually, today it's a luck factor for me. I'm like in front of me, sir. So my question is very direct. I won't take a lot of time. So, have you ever thought of doing an Odia movie? As now you are very much connected to Odisha. Yeah.
Sir, I would love to. You know, I've done films in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, English, Marathi, Punjabi, Chinese. So I come back to Odisha again and again to tell all the producers, writers, directors, heroines, ki boss, there is someone who can also do an Odia film. So offer me a script, offer me a good script. So I think then I'll have more of a reason to stay here for longer. So yeah, please, if anyone, a filmmaker is sitting here, so please just a phone call away. Thank you so much, my brother.
And sir, lastly, sir, we all love you, sir. We love you, sir.
Love you too, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Sorry, sir? Yeah, I will, sir.
Hello. Sonu
Yeah, hi, sir.
My name is Hitesh Jain.
Ji.